Alright, Tom, we're going to run this test again with the chicken meal we ran yesterday and had difficulty getting it out of the hopper. Today we're going to try to condition the material a little longer and see if we can get it fluidized better before we open up the discharge valve. Beyond that, we may look at pulsing things a little bit, try to get things moving so we can keep a constant feed out of the hopper. So let me take a look again up top. This has sat since yesterday. Packed it down again. Have a little bit more material in there today than we had. And again, when we discharge, we'll empty part of it and then have to stop and keep going. So go ahead and turn that air on to look at conditioning it. So we're getting some bubbling and dusting. The product's moving up. We're obviously holding it up quite a bit. Go ahead and look in there if you want. That's alright. That probably raised about 8 to 10 inches, I would say. We'll let it run here another 10 or 15 seconds before we try to discharge it the first time. We've made some rat holes into it, and that may help be eliminated with the pulsing. So if we get material jamming up, we're going to start pulsing it to try to close off these rat holes. There's some pretty good air running through there. Give it another 10 seconds. Alright, go ahead and open that gate valve, Tom. Again, we have the bottom two chambers. They're probably going to fill up. The bottom two chambers are the only chambers on right now. Obviously the material hadn't packed so well this time as it did over the weekend, so it's allowing us to discharge. You can see it adhered to the sidewalls of the hopper. Looking at the material that came out yesterday, it was much more agglomerated. It may not be a bad idea with this to have a constant bleed of air or have a pulsing system to help raise and lower that material as we're discharging.